Are you having trouble updating your Spotify app on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is drag down from the top just like this, and it will refresh this page and show you all the available updates for your apps. Scroll down and find Spotify. After that, tap on it. And then simply tap on the update button over here. And it will start downloading the latest update for the Spotify app. If you are having issues with your Spotify app, like it crashing while you are listening to music or encountering weird glitches or bugs, then you have to completely uninstall the app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, exit the App Store and then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap where it says iPhone Storage. And then, just scroll down and tap on Spotify. So now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says Offload App. And then tap on Offload App one more time to confirm your action. And it will remove the Spotify app from your device. After that, simply tap where it says Reinstall App to download and install a fresh new version of the app back on your phone. Once that's done, you can use your Spotify app without even having to log back in because this process does not remove your documents and data. In conclusion, updating your Spotify app on your iPhone is highly beneficial, as it keeps you connected to the most recent features and releases. It also makes sure that your experience with the app is optimized and any bugs or issues are fixed. Additionally, it can help ensure that your app runs efficiently without any issues related to compatibility or performance. These benefits make it clear why updating the Spotify app should be a priority for anyone who uses it regularly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.